if I import a music track, for example, I did Command Shift I for importing audio, and then I have my clips here, and it tells me if I am the same sample rate and bit depth than my project, and that's fine. So I don't need to convert it before, but now I can just add it directly. It says here can be added directly to the current sessions. I go done. It asks me if I want it to in the clip list at the right or on a new track. I'm gonna say like a new track. Location, I want it at the beginning. Session start. Okay, so now record. So now I'm recording my voice. I have this music. So to mute an element, I could just Command M. And it's grayed out, so it's muted. Let's say I'm recording a singer and I would need to send them a music mix to their headphones. I would go in the mix window and select the music track and route the send outputs. Remember, we named the output 3.4 headphones, so that's where we need to select the output of headphones in the sends. Then I would control the volume of my output to the headphones. In the next tutorial, I'm going to show you how to apply a compressor to the voice while recording without any external gear.